Toyota will suspend domestic factory operations on Tuesday after a supplier of plastic parts and electronic components was hit by a suspected cyber attack. The move will see the carmaker lose output of around 13,000 cars. No information was immediately available about who was behind the possible attack or the motive. The incident comes just after Japan joined Western allies in clamping down on Russia over its actions in Ukraine, although it was not clear if the attack was related. Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida said his government would investigate.
政府としてもその点について実態を確認
The government is looking into the situation, so we can't say whether Russia might be involved until we properly investigate.
それはしっかり確認した上でなければお答えすることは難しいと思っています。
A spokesperson at the supplier, Kojima Industries Corp, said it appeared to have been the victim of some kind of cyber attack. A spokesperson from Toyota described it as a supplier system failure. The company does not yet know if the halt at its 14 plants in Japan, which account for about a third of its global production, will last more than a day.